Right, the story is coming in from the state of Bihar, where there is war of words ahead of the BJP's show of strength in the assembly. Rabri Devi has hit out at Nitish government. JDU MLC has mocked Lalu as Fodder scam prisoner. JDU MLC calls Lalu prisoner. Rabri Devi hits out. Rabri Devi calls Nitish government gang of robbers. Big BJP huddle in Patna at 11 o'clock today. Union Minister Bihar in charge to attend this. Bihar BJP president to be elected today. Well, these are big and fast-moving political developments in the state of Bihar at this point in time. On one hand, there is a big BJP huddle in Patna at 11. On the other hand, there is Rabri Devi going after the JDU for calling Lalu a prisoner. The Bihar BJP president will be elected today is what we know. Listen in to what was said.
मुख्यमंत्री नीतीश कुमार जी हैं। आपके पुत्र तेजस्वी यादव ने इसकी शुरुआत की, किन किन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल किया। तो अगर तेजस्वी यादव इस्तेमाल कर रहे थे तो आप लोग माननीय लालू प्रसाद जी और माननीय राबड़ी देवी जी अपने पुत्र पर रोक नहीं लगा रहे थे। तो उसका जवाब तो अगर मिला, अगर जवाब से तिल मिलाहट हो गई तब उसमें क्या मदद कर सकते हैं।
क्या बोलना है नहीं बोलना है, लगातार लालू यादव नीरज जी तो उनको कैदी नंबर रखे हुए हैं। नीरज जी कहना चाहते हैं आपसे महोदय से कि हम लोग कहीं भागने वाले ना है। हम लोग ना चोरी किए हैं, ना चोरी आज तक सीबीआई ईडी वाला इनकम टैक्स आज तक चोरी नहीं पकड़ा है। बिना सजाए, बिना चोरी के सजाए हुआ है लालू यादव का। चाहे सब परिवार को रोज नोटिस आता है, ईडी या सीबीआई के रोज कल परसों नोटिस आया सब पूरा परिवार। तो हम लोग भागेंगे, जहाँ बुलाएगा तहाँ जाएंगे। बाकी आप लोग ऐसा लुटेरा आदमी और डर के मारे आप लोग सीबीआई ईडी से भाग रहे हैं। हम लोग भागने वाला नहीं है, ना कहीं भागेंगे।
Going straight across to Rohit for more details. Rohit, Rabri Yadav, they're not mincing any words. Rabri Devi, they're not mincing any words, talking about the fact that this is nothing but, a political witch hunt against Lalu and family.
Well, absolutely. See, there was a heated discussion that took place in the State Legislative Council yesterday between Rabri Devi, the former Chief Minister of Bihar, and Neeraj Kumar, the JDU spokesperson and MLC. And basically, there was a discussion that was going on over the governor's address, and it's during this discussion that Rabri Devi hit out at a ruling dispensation and said that they have been falsely implicated, and RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad has been falsely implicated in the Fodder scam, and they have done nothing wrong. All the times when you see that some CBI raids or ED raids have been conducted at the family, nothing has been recovered. So Rabri Devi basically went on to say that it was a witch hunt against the family members and that they were absolutely clean. And she also referred to the summon that they have received from the Rouse Avenue Court, where the entire family has to be present in Delhi on 11th of March. So Rabri Devi was trying to show during the debate that the family was absolutely clean, they had done nothing wrong. And now today it's the turn of the Neeraj Kumar, who is likely to speak in the Legislative Council, and remains to be seen. And very interesting that how he replies to Rabri Devi. But Rabri Devi was absolutely furious yesterday when she was taking part in that debate and hit out at the ruling government for falsely implicating Lalu and the family.
Rohit, I'm going to leave it at that for the moment. Rohit Singh getting us those details from Patna. So on one hand, we have this playing out between the RJD and the JDU within the assembly. On the other hand, the big meeting of the Bharatiya Janata Party to elect the president, the state president today at 11 o'clock is what we know. Listening to what Rabri Devi had said, attacking Neeraj Kumar in the assembly.
क्या बोलना है नहीं बोलना है, लगातार लालू यादव नीरज जी तो उनको कैदी नंबर रखे हुए हैं। नीरज जी कहना चाहते हैं आपसे महोदय से कि हम लोग कहीं भागने वाले ना है। हम लोग ना चोरी किए हैं, ना चोरी आज तक सीबीआई ईडी वाला इनकम टैक्स आज तक चोरी नहीं पकड़ा है। बिना सजाए, बिना चोरी के सजाए हुआ है लालू यादव का। चाहे सब परिवार को रोज नोटिस आता है, ईडी या सीबीआई के रोज कल परसों नोटिस आया सब पूरा परिवार। तो हम लोग भागेंगे? जहाँ बुलाएगा तहाँ जाएंगे। बाकी आप लोग कैसा लुटेरा आदमी और डर के मारे आप लोग CBI ED से भाग रहे हैं। हम लोग भागने वाला नहीं है।